Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign into iTunes store on your iPhone or iPad or any iOS device that you have so that you can start buying and downloading music, movies and albums that you like from the palms of your hand. Now let's get started without any further delay. To sign into iTunes store, you need to simply go to settings and make sure you have logged into your Apple ID right here. As you can see, I have already logged into my Apple ID. Then simply tap on media and purchase and go to view account and enter your Apple ID and password. And if you don't have an Apple ID yet, tap create new and create new Apple ID and follow the instructions that are shown on the screen. Once you are signed in, you can simply open the iTunes store app right on your phone and you will be automatically logged in right here. As you can see, you will be automatically logged in and your account will be active to buy and to download music, movies and your albums right from your device. And that's it guys. Signing into your iTunes store is simple once you have your Apple ID. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple tips and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.